Hello boys and girls, welcome back to Find That Garage Night. Right, what we're going to do today, I'm going to change the corners on the scuttle panel. I'm going to keep the original one and just change the corners because the metal is really good on the 66 van. So I've already mocked up the driver's side wing and A-pillar just to make sure the door's going to fit properly, you know, because I don't want the A-pillar going far too back that way. You know, it's not too bad if it's a wee bit forward a wee bit. I can always, you know, you can always adjust that, but if it's too far, you know, that way, it's going to be a nightmare. So, like I said, we'll crack on with this. We'll get this scuttle panels done, and then we'll crack on with the passenger wing and get the gaps right on the bonnet. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Right, boys and girls, that's me finished for the week. So we'll turn the camera around and see what you think. So there you go. We've got that's the one wing on we've got on just at the moment. Come around on this side, getting the bonnet right and the gaps right for that. And obviously the front panel, subframe's all in as well. Gaps are pretty good, so I'm happy with that. So next week we'll start on with the repairing the doors now. Like I say, I've got all the stuff from a machine, so hopefully we can get them sorted. So it could be a bit of a slow process next week, because obviously I've got door skins to change, the top rails, and I think they come in three sections on the top rails, so we've got that to do as well. So like I say, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you again next week. Thanks, Em. Bye bye for now. Bye.